Hello, my friends. How we doing today? Look at the ground. She's beautiful. Look at dirt. She's got a little dirty. Anyways, my friends, I got a little unboxing for you guys. I got a little something new and improved. I figured I'd bring you guys along for the unboxing. Let's see what we got, eh? Look at that. What's that? You might not be able to tell because it's friggin' having trouble focusing, fucker. There we go. 4K, guys. It's a Sony FDR X3000. Does 4K, 2K, full HD, 120 frames per second. Yeah! It's gonna be my new camera. Let's see what we got in here, boys and girls. See if I can do this shit one-handed. And watch it through my fucking phone. It's kind of cool though. Alright, what do we got in here? Let's take this one out, huh? Ooh, turn that bitch sideways. There we go. What do we got in here? Ooh. The cool thing about this is I have an adapter, so all the mounts from the GoPro, I can use the mounts from the GoPro, so I won't have to change any of that. There's a big ass mount, charge cable. What else we got down here, guys? Oh, battery. There's a battery. Don't lose that shit. What else we got? Hold on. Bunch of flipping papers. Okay. Let's get on to the other shit. We're using my DR table. Fuck you, asshole! Alright. Let's see what else is here. What do we got? Oh, I think this might be the main baby. Anything else in there? I ain't seen nothing else in there. Anybody else seen anything in there? Nope, I ain't seen shit in there. Let's see what we got, huh? See how this thing opens. Oh, just like this, huh? Alright. Looks like we can pop this open like this. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, let's be careful. Oh, there's the end. So I'm just gonna open it like this. Oh, look at that! Look at that, guys! Got a microphone jack back here, so you just plug the mic right into the camera. You don't need no special cables or nothing. Couple days we're going to do a comparison between the GoPro and my GoPro anyways and this camera. I think there might be a slight difference between the two, but look at that, guys. We're getting into the new age with this 4K. Anyways, thanks for watching. And I hope we can enjoy some more videos with this new camera. Anyways, guys and girls, have a good evening. Have a good day. Keep shining side up. Peace.